Hey everyone, want to organize your Shopify store and make shopping easier for your customers? In this video, I will show you how to create product collections on Shopify so you can boost navigation and sales. Now, what are collections? Collections in Shopify are groups of related products. You can create collections like new arrivals, t-shirts, under $50 or anything else your customers may want to browse together. Now, first of all, go to shopify.com, then log into your account. Once you are in, on the left hand menu, click products, then collections. Now click create collection button. First, we will make a manual collection where you choose the products yourself. Give your collection name, a name like Marcel. Add a description. This helps with SEO. Then select the heading type. Under collection type, select manual. Add a featured image of your if you want one to show up on your homepage or menu. Scroll down and check everything, then click save. After saving, you will be able to click browse and add individual products manually. Now let's make an automated collection which saves your time by pulling in products based on conditions. Click again create collection. Name it like under $50 or men shoes. Then this time select automated under collection type or smart. Set conditions like product product price is less than $50 or product tag equals man. You can add multiple conditions and choose whether products must meet all or any of them. When done, hit save. Shopify will automatically add any products that meets these rules. Now add in the future. You can sort your collections by best selling price, newest, or manually drag and drop the order. This is great for promoting featured products. To display your collections on your website menu, go to online store. From here, click navigation. From navigation, select main menu or wherever you want to add it. Wait a minute. My navigation bar is missing for now. So select navigation from here. Then click add main menu item. Then enter name like t-shirts and link it to the collection you just created. Then click save button and refresh your store. Now the new category is live. Here are some tips to make the most of Shopify collections. Use clear, simple names that match how your customer search. Use tags and product types properly for smarter automation. Keep your collections image rich and SEO friendly with good titles and descriptions. Use homepage selections to feature seasonal or trending collection. And that's it. You have now learned how to create a customized both manual and automated or smart collections on Shopify. If this video was help you, be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what Shopify tutorial you want next. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.